Hi, good morning, Secretary. Hold on one second. I hear an echo. Hold on one second. Don't know what that's all about. Oh, I think I know what it is. Hold on one second. Fellow traders. All right, let me just double check. Just want to see if an audio check. I'm having some issues with some audio's good. All right, good, good. Hold on one second. There we go. All right, traders, welcome back. Hopefully, everyone is excited for the weekend. It is Thursday. A lot of stuff going on today. Let me tell you something. I knew something was up with ICCT yesterday. I'm sitting there looking at this stock, and I'm like, horrible news, right? Terrible news. All of a sudden, I'm looking at this stock. I'm like, in the middle of the day, I'm like, stock around 12 o'clock. Let me bring up a 2-day chart so you guys can see what's going on. So this stock, yesterday, we traded $1.90. And then it was up, it was up, it was up. It got halted. And it was at 12 o'clock. I halted it the next day. And I'm looking at it, I'm like, opens up and it all of a sudden it's at like $8, $9. I'm like, something's up with this stock. And we did class, and I was trying to tell everyone, stay away from it. Don't get too crazy on it. But one of the biggest things that you learn to be at Cybertrade University is that when you're here and we talk about we look at stocks that have a push, and the stock around 230 and 11 was like sitting there for a while. I'm like, something's up with this stock because it's not going down. It's really not going down. And as the day went on, it creeped up a little bit higher. We went to 880. And then when we got around 2 o'clock, this basically is what we learned right here. This is what it's all about. Okay. The clock. All of a sudden, I'm like, something's up. Something's definitely up. And all of a sudden, the stock pops. And then in the last 30 minutes, it went all the way to a price around $17. And then after hours, this is a big short squeeze. And I know a lot of people were not here at that time of the day, but then it's still ran all the way to $42. She's on a downtrend now, but this right here was a clear sign of a huge, huge short squeeze. Now, this stock is going to get crushed. It's going to get crushed, okay, eventually. Somebody is going to get burned big time. So once again, unless you're extremely advanced trader, you know how to trade this stock. And this was on the watch list from yesterday, the day before. You can go check our Twitter. Not Twitter anymore. You can check our X. You could check the forums. But this one stock, listen, this is what we train for. We get, I don't know, few a month like this. So it's just another one that we put a feather in our cap. So she's going back on the watch list. There was a couple more out there we're going to keep an eye on. ICCT. And basically, what's the price was that? The stock was at what? 18 cents? What is this? About 250,000%? To me, it sounds like another Bitcoin stock. Bitcoin took off. But anyway, that was a nice little moving stock. Also, Tito's is going back on the watch list. So Tito's, we traded the stock back here. Stock had a big run up at $1 back in April, ran to about almost $6, came back down. Last 2 days, beautiful run. She's moving again great this morning. Let me go check out Tito's. I know I had on my level 4 here. Bring it up over here, see what orders are. All right, so we're getting some channeling right here. Bring this up over here. And we got some orders showing up at 16,000, 21,000, right around there. So we got a couple of orders that might hold it down. You can see it here. If I bring it back on the 1 day, you can see it right there. Big, big resistance levels right there on that $1.80. So it kind of makes sense why that is. But Tito's, once again, another really, really nice little stock. NAOB was really nice early in the morning. We were trading this in the morning in phase 3. It ran from about $2 up to $4. Stock that was up, I don't know, on the day. Tilray, I don't know what's up with Tilray. So Tilray has been one of the silent movers. It was at $1.50, ran to about $3 in about a month, came back down to about 2.20. Had a huge news that came out around 12 o'clock. It's holding here pretty strong. It can slip into a day trade, more into a swing trade. Remember, that's how we learned how to swing trade and invest into options too. But I would keep an eye on that one too. That one's going on a watch list. GRW, another big new stock, obviously, same thing, the same industry with Tilray. That one's also moving. And CGC, these are all stocks that are in the same exact business. And that one, CGC also moved with it. Now, another couple of stocks that did move too is Mara. He made a big comeback. You could see here on the long-term chart, due to that big news, we had that big, nice little swing trade. Stock moved up pretty nicely. So I think the longer it trades here, the better it is. I have it as a swing trade, Mara. I don't have Riot though. I don't know. I just like to trade Mara a little bit more, a little bit more, probably easier to trade. I feel sometimes Riot, you could see, yeah, that the little zigzag right there can get a little volatile, but they're pretty much the same. Anyway, those two stocks, and obviously Coinbase, obviously trading with it also. You can see Coinbase join with it. So yesterday was actually a pretty decent day. I can't believe it. It's actually been a decent week, knowing that we're going into the last week of summer, which is Labor Day, which, by the way, let me remind everyone, the stock market is closed Monday. Okay. So don't freak out if you don't find us on social media live in the morning. Don't freak out. You know, you call us and everybody's off. Please, we only get 7 days. Okay. So my staff is very happy to enjoy those 7 days. Anyway, regarding what's moving this morning, because like I said, that's really the big news. All right. That's what everybody wants to know. There are a couple of stocks that are moving. And I'll start off with this ACER. So this stock, if you were here early this morning at 7:30 this morning, even at 7:45, you did pretty well. Very cheap little stock, 70-cent stock, really nice move on it. The only thing I wasn't too crazy about, it was kind of difficult, is that the iceberg orders were not really that attractive. You are getting a little bit of a ladder effect over here. And if I move this over, you know, you can see it's about 79,000 shares right there of that big order right there. So it's kind of holding here a little bit. It's okay. I mean, it's holding pretty strong, so I kind of like that. Once again, I know it's cheap for some of you. Don't be embarrassed. Don't be scared. Money's money at the end of the day. It looks like we're going to probably have a little bit of a gap fill right here, which is I kind of like. So it looks like it could go to 157. And if you're an advanced trader, you can always trade more of it. All right, this one basically it's gapped up a little bit, but it's coming back down. ICT, did I bring that one up there? Yeah. So this stock, I was checking out the level 4 too. And remember, this is the one that we just saw that big run up. You get it. Remember, just be very careful. Iceberg orders are starting to show up right around here, 19. It is extremely volatile. Please, if you do trade it, do not trade a lot of shares of it. This stock will tear you apart. Tito's we already know about. Tito's we already have that on there. I'm just looking at level 4. Altar, ALLR, we trade this stock. This stock was a $700 stock last year. This thing got destroyed. I love stocks that get hammered like this. Sometimes they come back. I don't know what happened. She was gapped up this morning. She's only up about 23%, 37 cents. Man, that's pretty sad. That stock was at $600. You know what I mean? Just when you thought it can't get any worse. But I'm going to throw it on a watch list because maybe we'll get a dead cat bounce. I don't know. But it is a pharmaceutical stock. We spent a lot of time educating you on pharmaceutical stocks, why you got to be very careful of them. And, you know, it takes one bad drug that runs their whole business, could destroy them, you know. Anyway, AMC is moving big time. AMC got hammered, all right? And yesterday had a really good run up on AMC. There's another one I didn't tell you about this so far. So it was no stock we traded. Ran for about $10, ran all the way to about 13. Huge winner. And then obviously it slowed down. Now it's getting another move. 13, which was resistance, now is support. Now we're getting a big run. AMC had a reverse stock split. So please, it wasn't a $14 stock. It was a 10-to-1 stock split. So it means that it's probably trading at $1.40 from where it was. But it ran all the way down to $1. Stock got destroyed. I mean, you can look at the reverse stock split at $55 down to 10. That means the stock was $5 down to $1. It's at $1.40 now if you factor in the reverse stock split. But it looks like it's on a big move. Um, the big issue that we have to worry about reverse stock splits, that when they reverse, they cut the flow. So let's just say there was 10 million shares in the float. I'm just using that's not really the case, but let's say it's 10 million. Now there's only a million shares in the float, which makes it a lot volatile. Spreads are very tighter, and that's usually what happens. So be very careful. So it was 100 million, now there's only 10 million shares in the float. So be very, very careful of the stock on the volatility part of it. But it is moving, good volatility. AMC is definitely on that list. I saw the stock CIEN. That stock's been doing pretty well. I checked over here. It's a little bit more of a brand name stock. Um, you got some more. It's expensive, ugly spread. I know it's up 10%. Some people bring it up earlier. I'll probably stay away from it. Losers, Dollar General's. Wow, Dollar General's getting crushed, huh? Wow, that stuff was so great during the COVID, and now it's getting a big hit. That's the problem when you trade expensive stocks. People don't realize that when you trade a $250 stock, it could still go down, 260 more points. So sky's the limit. We're going up, but going down, I mean, there is a number. The number is zero. So what we got for Thursday? That's not a bad list right there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 7 stocks. That's a lot better than Monday and Tuesday. All right, a lot better than what we had on Monday and Tuesday. So anything else that we're missing out? Wendy, you bringing up? There's a stock out there. Did it just show up? BEKE. I don't know if that was you saying. Oops. BEKE. Wow, good call there. It is one of the Chinese stocks moving up pretty well. Huge move up right now. Yeah, definitely. Looks like probably could test 18. I got to check on level 4 what we got going on it. BEKE. Yeah, I'll throw that on there. BKAE. Yeah, look, the iceberg order got done, got filled. You can see that the ECN big order got done. Big buyer right here for 46,000. He's still out there. Looks like 18. Big volume trade. Yeah, good call. Way to go, Wendy. Hopefully you got it. All right. All right, so let's get ready for the market opened up. Really quick, everyone, if you're watching social media, please like us, friend us. We're live here every morning at 9:30, 9 and 2:30. You can always join our room if you ever want to. You can just scan the QR code on the top left-hand corner or just click our link right there. And what else we got going? Cyber traders. I know we just finished phase 3. Remember, next month, on site. If you haven't registered, talk to Education Advisor. I expect everyone to be there. Okay. It is the once a year event that we do the on site. You could do the webcast, but you know what? I expect a lot of you guys to be there because listen, it's always been the most exciting thing. We'll have some great speakers. We're gonna have level 4 it's gonna be out there. The founder of it's gonna talk about a bunch of stuff on it. You get to talk and be good friends with them, everything. We got that great dinner that we're gonna have. We have celebrity chefs that are gonna be cooking for you guys. So it's always been a great event to come on site. So please talk to Education Advisor. Today is we're running a big promotion for everyone here. So if you want to do it, talk to them. They'll tell you a little about it. All right, guys, let's get ready for the market. We've got 15 minutes. And if you're watching on social media, we'll see you back here in, hopefully we'll see you in the next 15 minutes, or we'll see you back here at 2:30. Good luck, everyone. If I don't see you, enjoy your Labor Day. All right. Happy trading, everyone.